For me, it all started when I was 16 years old. I went scuba diving in Greece and I was hoping to see all these beautiful things like you see in the documentaries. But I then went underwater and I looked around me and I just saw more plastic bags than fish. About 1 billion kilos of plastic enters the oceans every year. That's quite a lot.
If we don't do something, it might be too late.
We cannot wait anymore.
Everything we care about can be destroyed.
The mission of the Ocean Cleanup is to rid the oceans of plastic.
Sustainability is not something that we can own, and we cannot do anything by ourselves.
There's a similarity between the Ocean Cleanup and Kia, that people like to act. We don't like to talk.
Sustainability is not new for us. We have been doing many actions for many years now. What we see right now is the sense of urgency.
We can reach more people together. We will not be able to reach our mission without partners. We're basically duplicating what we're doing, the largest cleanup in history.
Yeah, plastics are one of the largest threats our oceans face today. And I think it's a huge problem. At the same time, I think it's also very solvable.
We basically can recycle them and create new material for us.
And this is where ocean cleanup is so important, because they will collect the waste that is now causing so much damage in the ocean and will transform this plastic again into a new product.
Our direction towards sustainability is not just about reaching specific goals, but rather to inspire everyone to join this movement.
A real impact.
Create value.
Co-creation.
Movement.
Kia, movement that inspires.